Hey, it's Tech, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing Galaxy Buds FE. I have Buds Live already, and they're quite old, so I'm going to upgrade them, and I'll transfer the case over. The Buds FE actually have some features that the Buds Live don't, even though the Buds Live is still considered like a more premium, expensive model. So I'm going to be happy for the upgrade. I don't really need the wireless charging. And the Buds FE also has lets you locate the buds even if the case is closed, which is a nice plus. So let's open up the case now. I have to remove the other product covering. They're also a very different fit in the ear than the Buds Live, so I'm going to have to get used to that. Let's take out the manual and instructions. Okay, so it's just a instruction how to charge the buds, warning for ingestion, and about the different sizes to fit your ears. So you could mix and match to get with the small, medium, large. And from looking at it here, besides for this gap, which is because it's black and white, they kind of look like the Buds Live from the outside. You could see here and here, they're similar form factors, so the case should work also. The USB port in the same location, as well as the charging light indicator. And it fits with my other case from AliExpress. It's not as smooth, but it still works fine. You can see it's yellow meaning it's medium charge, so I'm going to also charge that up. And what else do you get? Like the Buds Live, you also get a USB-C. This case is USB-C to C. I believe the Buds Live came with C to A, because I mean they were a bit older. And you get the adapters. Because unlike the Buds Live, which has a wingtip adapter basically, and I just bought a third-party one to fit my ear better. This has the more standard earbud connection. So you can see these are the little adapters to fit bigger ears, and make sure not to lose them because I don't think Samsung will give you replacement ones. And they're not just kind of silicone tips, but they also have it looks like a mesh filter here, so that should also kind of make the earbuds have a better seal with noise cancellation, and also not allow gunk to get inside. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.